For over 20 years, Unique Lighting Systems has provided leadership and distinguished itself as innovators in the low-voltage lighting industry. Our patented hub system sets the benchmark within the industry and continues to be the best solution for time saving and money. Wire connections are the weakest point of any low-voltage lighting installation and are susceptible to wicking and water infiltration. Utilizing the hub installation method will reduce the number of connections by up to 80% versus standard wiring methods. This means less maintenance, less lamp outages, and easier troubleshooting. In addition, the hub method utilizes less wire and saves money. Point of connection failures are often a result of substandard, twist-on wire nuts commonly used on low-voltage lighting installations. While twist-on wire nuts are adequate for indoor applications that use single-strand or solid copper wire, they are not designed for multi-stranded wire or outdoor applications. Twist-on wire nuts work by creating a thread on the solid wire, making them difficult to pull off. When used on multi-strand wire, no thread is created to securely adhere the nut to the wire. In fact, the nut is simply twisting multiple strands together, creating a tangle of wire. Heat generates within the twisted mass of wire that can sometimes cause wire nuts to overheat, scorch, and wear out over time. This can be prevented by making mechanical wire connections rather than wire nut connections. The second type of wiring method for low-voltage lighting is Unique Lighting Systems' hub wiring method. The hub wiring method creates a central point of connection for a group of fixtures, reducing the number of connection points, wire, and labor. Hub wiring helps to ensure proper voltage distribution to fixtures. And because all connections are in a central location, troubleshooting is quick and easy. Finally, since fixtures are not chained to one another, repositioning and system expansion are less cumbersome. All of Unique Lighting Systems fixtures have a long wire lead that is affixed at a single point of location. This location point is called the hub. For a 5-fixture installation using the hub wiring method, only 3 connections are required, rather than 10 when the daisy chain method is used. There is 1 connection to the fixture, 1 connection to the home run wire, and 1 connection for an inline fuse. This inline fuse takes burden off of the transformer and provides extra protection against direct shorts or system issues. Adding these fuses in the hub catches smaller shorts at hub locations, rather than allowing them to travel to the transformer, where they can become a larger issue. This is not an option using the daisy chain wiring method. The lower amperage draw required by LEDs enable hub wiring for large, complex installations. One large hub can be connected to several smaller hubs to accommodate large installs. Unique Lighting refers to this larger point of connection or hub as the IntelliHub. The entire installation is what we call the IntelliHub system. The IntelliHub acts as the main panel in a system that is connected to the transformer. Up to 3 satellite hubs can be connected to the IntelliHub. The IntelliHub installation method reduces what would have been 40 connections buried in the ground using daisy chain wiring, down to just 13 connections. In addition, each satellite hub location has fuse protection to prevent whole system shutdown due to field issues. Using the IntelliHub method, identifying issues and problem solving can be done quickly and without disturbing the landscape. If one light is out, it means that there is a problem with that light. If a whole group of lights are out, then there is a problem at the hub. If the entire system is out, then there is a problem at the IntelliHub or at the transformer. Because connections are so critical, each type of Unique Lighting hub includes secure connection types, specifically for outdoor use. Satellite hubs include a brass barrel connection threaded at the base and cap for a secure closure and moisture barrier. Brass barrel connections are filled with silicone grease. The cap threads onto the barrel. Use the flathead screw to crimp down the wires and make a solid connection. This connection is reversible, so that fixtures can be added by simply removing the screw and slipping in the additional wire. IntelliHub can accommodate more wire and fixtures than a satellite hub, so a larger lug is included. The IntelliHub connector has a larger cap and cover that includes an Allen nut to secure connections rather than a screw. Like the satellite hub connector, the IntelliHub connector is reversible so that the wire can be added with ease. Finally, the unique lighting elements and Elements Brass fixture series include a Flex Auxiliary lead wire. The Flex Auxiliary lead is ideal for adding fixtures to an existing system, or for adding 1 or 2 fixtures outside of the 15-foot reach of the hub location. The hub wiring method can accommodate 5 fixtures to each hub. Using the 1-foot wire lead, the system can be expanded from the last fixture rather than running the line all the way back to the hub. Simply connect the end of the 15-foot wire lead from the add-on fixture to the end of the 1-foot flex lead of the last fixture in place. The Flex Auxiliary leads factory sealed to protect them from the elements when not in use. For system expansions, just clip off the sealed end and wire in your new fixtures. The unique lighting hub wiring method is for low voltage lighting innovation, designed to make lighting professionals' jobs more efficient and less costly. It provides added protection against system failures and flexibility for future growth. Learn more about Unique Lighting's products and services at uniquelighting.com.